I will explain how the people will select the font for the listing that are optimized to add the fonts. Like here, you can see in this listing there is the area where they will tell the seller which font they want to print. So first of all, they will go to the Google font and then they will add filter first, and in filters first filter will be the name that they want to print or the quotation, like I want to print I love you. I want to print this on the personalized mug, personalized blanket, personalized jewelry or anything I want. So I think this is also very beautiful. um, this is also very beautiful. Okay, what else? I these are the simple fonts. What else I want to make it more stylish word, so I will select the handwriting. So now it's very beautiful. I love you. So you can see here is the I love you. I think I love it. That is the Pacifico. So I can send the seller like I like Pacifico font to print on my baby's blanket. Okay, by this font would be specified. Okay, so people can easily select the font, and you can also use them easily on in your uh, print print in your fulfillment company like Printify, Printful, or any other that you are using to print. So here you go. Here you can select the Google fonts. Here you can give the option to your buyers about the options how they will select the font. Thank you.